Hi, my name's Heaven. I'm the owner of the Bodhi Restaurant and I'm here with our resident gardener again, Zeke. And we're going to show you how easy it is to grow your own leafy greens. We have salads at every meal in our house, so it's really lovely to be able to go into your garden and pick your own fresh ingredients.
With leafy greens, they're one of the more easier things to grow. You can't really go wrong with them. When you're planting your plants around this size, you'll be able to start to pick from them in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. All greens like to constantly be picked. So the more that you pick them, the more that they're going to produce.
Knowing that you have grown things yourself, knowing what your ingredients are and getting the whole family involved in being able to pick things, add them to dishes. It's such a fun experience. Even if you don't have children, it's a great thing to be able to do. And you can do it on a balcony. You don't need a lot of space. So don't feel like you only have to grow, salad leafy greens. You can also do, your Asian vegetables for stir fries and things like that. So mix it up, have a good variety there so that you've got lots of different things to be able to create with the food that you're growing from your garden.